Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy 13 back here with another reaction video. We finna watch Getting Girls Number with a flip phone in Miami by the no other Duke Dennis. You are. Let's get straight into this. Talk to me, gangy. Word. I ain't gonna lie, getting bitches numbers with the flip phone is crazy, bro. Word of my mother, that shit is crazy, bro. What? Word about that. Flip phone in 2022 is crazy, bro. Word. Fucking young bitch and I give her. Word, you already know that I'm running the tracks and a fucking young bitch and I'm running them racks.
Hey, 900K, man. Today, bro, that merch out too, man. Link in the description, man. Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all
tune into my son D-Boy.
Hey, bro, that merch out too.
Gangsta, you heard? That shit tough. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to cop me some shit. You heard? Gangsta. I ain't gonna lie. This graphics tees is hard.
Man, link
word
in
about
the
that. You
description,
shit,
man.
gangsta.
Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all sub up, bro.
Hey, the board say Q and Dirt not fucking nothing, man. Them is not gonna hit nothing while they in my head.
No, not me.
Hey, not him. This nigga, bro, Q and Dirt not gonna fuck. Hey, what you think, man? You think you gonna hear something like that, man?
Nah, what about mother? If you went to spring break and you went to Miami and you ain't get right, fuck you doing there, bro? Don't ever go back to Miami spring break again, bro. Cause if you going there, you ain't getting right. Fuck you going for, nigga? The fuck? Word of my mother, bro. Like, what up, gang?
I feel you, my brother. I ain't hearing nothing while I'm down.
Criminal.
Huh?
Smooth criminal.
You smooth criminal. You trying to back on me last night?
I didn't mean to.
That's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell him what he did. Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? See this right here? I need that right there.
That's crazy, bro.
Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? See this right here?
What about that, Duke? If you getting bitches numbers with that nigga, I ain't gonna lie, you got it, gang. You heard? What of my mother, you got it, you heard?
I need that right there. I need to give me one of these right here. What are you?
What they used to call that shit over here, like Obama phones or some shit like that, bro? I remember them shits.
God damn, baby boy. Hey, I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of.
I see that video you put in my phone. Hold on, you was getting right one of these shorties, dude. You was getting right, gang. Tell me
I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this phone, with this flip phone right here, man. Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy. Hey, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers you think I can get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone right here, huh? No. But you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't. I think when you put them on out, you might get about a good 10.
But I'm a secure the number first. I'm a, hey, man, you know what I'm saying? You got a boyfriend? Yeah. Let me get your number, type boom, boom. And when they say yeah, I'm up.
Back that out. Word.
So I'm gonna pull it out. And then I'm like, what the fuck? You know, so I'm like, hey, put your ID in there too.
Nah, that's dead smart, but you should have did that at the beginning of spring break and see how much numbers you come up with the end of spring break. Gangsta, you are. And that flip phone, gangsta.
For real? Nah, I just bought it.
That's
like
the spring break phone, you heard?
30. Hey, about 30. Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I was just gonna say the same.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Thank you. Look, you on you.
Yeah, right, gang. Yeah, right. I ain't gonna lie, spring break gotta be lit, bro. Bitches is just coming up to you, bro. That's like gangster, you are. That's gangster, you are. Look at her bold ass. Bitches is really bold over there, you are.
Yes, sir.
Get right there, gang.
Look, you on you.
My dog got some pretty eyes, man. Dog got some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers, man. Hey, Chad, man.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, you can take a picture. Type
Come on. You're not taking my picture for real.
yeah, he taking your picture.
I swear to God, he not.
Bro, you gotta really pose though, bro.
I am.
Yeah, y'all gotta pose. Yeah, yes ma'am, pose.
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Still going.
Shorty, it's not a fucking picture, bro. I don't know why I think a nigga carrying a camera's a picture, bro. It's 2022. Niggas is recording, gang. Niggas is recording, you are.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real
Exactly,
life.
the fucking video.
I thought that was a fucking...
You better go on YouTube word like I'm doing right now and go screenshot yourself or some shit word. He ain't taking no flicks in the video.
That's my head. That's what I'm like. If we're on YouTube, that could be on Snap.
Oh yeah, yes ma'am.
Get the camera. Yes. You gotta get in it too. Come on.
Alright, you fiending, bro. You're a fiending. Shorty, you're a fiending, bro. Alright, bro. You got your picture. You said what you had to say. If you ain't trying to get your cheeks clapped, why the fuck are you still there, bro? Get it on with yourself, bro. Like,
But you can't be in it.
Yeah, he could be in it, man. He could be in it, man.
oh, you talking about the? I thought she was talking about the camera. I thought she was trying to get the camera and record this, the cameraman in the video. Like, what, like how, like what, like how?
What I get into?
Yeah, right.
We chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
You need my number?
Yeah, I need your number, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's your phone?
Nah, he's dead ass. Like a get yo. Oh, you gotta give him a the fuck phone don't matter.
You gonna put me like that right there? Hey, baby, you gonna put me right there, right there?
That's your phone?
Come on, your number or not, man.
Put that back up. Put that back up. You don't need
Hold on,
that.
hold on, it's a video. Hold on, don't do
You
it.
don't need that. I'm like, you don't need that. It's big.
But it's fucked up though, boy. You judging niggas off their phone? Boy, my dog is rapping that ass. Fuck that though. You judging niggas off.
Get right there, nigga. Get right there, nigga. Dude, what the fuck you doing, bro? Word, bro.
Their phone though.
Hell no. I would have gave you my number still. Like, that's cool.
But nigga.
You have a touchscreen?
Nah, I just bought this. I'm just doing it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah,
You probably ain't gonna get no number.
I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I do need your number for real though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
Nicole. N-I-C-H-O-L-E.
No, I'm just gonna hit you with my
Oh, you
name.
gonna text me with your name?
Yeah.
Okay, do that.
Yes, ma'am. Bet. Say that, man.
Alright.
For sure. Nice to meet you though.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
What?
man.
Oh, yeah, I'm down though.
Alright, bet. Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy
Yeah.
came from the military, hustling. Now he getting back to his dog. You feel me? I fuck with all y'all boys got going on, man.
Appreciate it.
All y'all boys.
That's
real.
love,
I
that's
know
love,
story,
that's
man.
love, that's love.
Come on, you know, I be on the TikTok, like, they be like,
I already know who you is.
You know,
what I'm
alright,
saying?
real quick.
Yeah, man, let's do this, man.
Hey, look what I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right, but that boy got the.
Oh, yeah, no.
Word.
Come on now.
Man. You know
Yeah, that
what
boy do out here.
Redhead
That boy
dude,
is a
word.
Florida boy, man.
What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey,
I
man,
know what
look.
you out here doing, but I want to hear you
I'm
tell
out-
me what you out here doing.
I'm out here working.
Okay.
I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the Smash the Pass and do what I do.
Okay.
That's what I do right here.
You think you gonna get pass or what?
They smashing. And look, I'm not just gonna get smashed. I'm bringing them back. I need
You actually smash it.
Yeah. Come on now.
I'm with you.
Like, come on now. Word.
Man, we all be working. All them boys be working.
Oh, yeah,
Real
working.
quick, Instagram. All that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah, but hey,
People
but
don't.
my shit filming too, man.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey man, look, extra wavy, look. Remember the name.
Man,
Remember
they
the
done
face.
seen you,
Be all over
man.
the place, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. They done seen you, man. They done seen you all over TikTok, man. For sure, man. Hey, this video gonna be so fire, but I need to learn how to keep my laugh in. You know what I'm saying? If I keep my laugh in and actually be with a straight face, whenever they say, bro, what the hell is that? I'll be straight, but it's hard though, bro. It's hard. I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it.
Because I do watch y'all.
I
yeah?
got my gift.
Yeah, my boy. What'd you say?
I said you're kind as fuck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Damn, bitch, just suck him up then. Oh, what the fuck just happened? Wire, nigga. If you wire, just go to wire, like over there, bro. Go to wire, you are? Damn, you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You look good too.
This nigga Duke taking all the bitches in Miami, nigga. Now I know why y'all ain't invite me this time, you heard? Cause y'all niggas taking all the shorties. It wasn't gonna be enough for me, you heard? Word, relax, nigga.
Man. For sure. Matter of fact, man, I need to get your number or something, man. Come here, man. Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have
All right, man. I can't do it.
yeah,
Man. I can't do it.
he can't do it, bro. He can't, bro. He can't, bro. This nigga's gonna forever laugh, bro. Stop laughing,
No.
nigga.
You can't
Yeah, no, I'm doing. I'm
Not the
trying.
flip phone.
No, I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face.
Way.
I'm trying to keep a straight
What are
face.
you trying to do with the flip phone? though?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You
if
gotta
I-
be more serious.
If I start laughing,
See,
I
bro,
can
that's
get
what
it.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
Word.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Next time I'm be straight up, nigga.
You gotta be like serious face.
Yeah.
You gotta be like 10
Straight
times more
up,
serious.
straight up type
You
shit.
feel me? This is, you feel me?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
Duke,
put-
can I
put
get your number type shit?
Yeah,
You feel
yeah.
me? And then pull it out.
Yeah,
And
without
then,
laughing.
And then she start laughing, you be like, man.
Right, what the fuck you laughing
like,
at?
What the fuck you laughing at?
Yeah,
You feel me?
type
Give me your number. You either gonna give it, you're not gonna give it.
Gangsta,
Be
yeah.
like, I'm a finance nigga.
Word.
Oh,
We
word?
get it, bro. What
Okay,
gangsta
bet.
you
Say
are?
less. I bet. You lifting your back toe like you.
I know a better posture.
Bro, what's going on, bro, with this generation, bro? Like, god damn, bro.
Back toe like you.
I know a better posture.
Hey, yo.
Dookie, where you going? Hey, boy. If you would have tried to put your ass on me, boy, I would slap the fuck out you, boy.
Not testing your limits.
Fuck out you, boy.
Can I get like 30 seconds?
Yeah. What you is?
You want a picture with me, bro?
You a pussy, bro?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah. What's up? Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture too?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Yeah.
Damn, why she bite her lip like that? Damn, if you just wanted to talk to my son, just talk to my son. You don't gotta be scared. She take bad.
Thank
too.
you.
Look up. Oh, damn, boy. I'll slap you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Yeah.
Amaya?
Yeah. Huh?
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
You too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
She baited herself, bro. She should have lied. She should have lied, bro. She baited herself, bro. You should have lied, bro. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. She's a loyal ass shorty, bro. Whoever's her boyfriend, bro. Whoever the fuck is her boyfriend, bro, you better be happy, bro. Word of my mother, nigga. She dead said yeah, bro. All these bitches over here in Miami, bro, is definitely saying no, and they definitely do got a boyfriend over there back at the crib. Word of my mother, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She loyal, bro. She loyal, bro. As fuck, bro.
Wait, was Kai here yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh-wee.
Or is that fan behavior?
Of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good over there, bud. What's your
My
name?
name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh shit, some Chicago niggas just walked out, man.
They was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
You gonna take a picture with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, wait. The bundles, you feel me? Look at a second. They all poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you were looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
Matter of fact, man, come here, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Oh, man. What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that shit
You got
twice.
Desi, you got a boyfriend?
No.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I said he probably got. I agreed with his man saying that he about to get like 10 on that Obama phone. Bro, word of my mother, this nigga is not getting 10, bro. He's probably getting like 2, bro. But this nigga keep baiting and laughing, bro. I have a feeling this nigga gonna laugh.
Got your number?
Do you have a
What?
Do you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you,
You
on the
feel
strip.
me? Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you now. I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta though.
Oh, goddamn. They say shit like that, don't they?
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah,
Type shit.
very much so.
Okay.
What, in
Yeah, man,
Atlanta?
Yeah, pull that motherfucker.
Put your number right there.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on?
What you a drug
Damn, who
dealer?
that? Chill, my chill, bro. Word, hold on.
Number right there.
Where you come
Excuse
from?
me, sir. What's going on?
What you a
Oh, no. The teeth is crazy. Teeth is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. The eyes beautiful. You beautiful, bro. But if the teeth was fire, bro, oh my God, you'll be beautiful, bro. Teeth is killing it for me, though.
You a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to Yeah, man.
Goofy ass.
Telefono? What that say?
Nah,
Oh, yeah,
give me
she
the
from
real
Chicago,
shit.
little foreigner.
Not the flip, not the trap phone.
Yeah, give me the real shit.
Not the
I was just
trap
fucking around with you,
phone.
see what you was
Look,
on.
look at-
That's it, bro.
I don't get no fuck if you got a little flip.
Not the
I was just-
scamming line.
No, I was just seeing what you was on. God damn, that's it,
I
man.
know you ain't gonna text me. It's cool Oh shit, I tried to say my name, but I texted to my name though.
It's cool. I know who it is now.
It's Desi. Desi, say that shit twice.
I see you. You typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
We was looking for you.
Yo.
Oh, yeah, really.
Nah, word of my mother, Duke, bro. You better fucking call me the next time next year, bro. Word, y'all niggas better call me, bro. I'm going with y'all niggas, bro. Word of my mother, I'm going with y'all niggas. Word.
For the matter of fact, yeah, what's up?
What's
Yeah,
up?
can I get a picture?
What y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
She on you. She on you.
What's up, man? You got a boyfriend?
No, you better go.
Okay, nope. Nope. Put your number in this right here.
Where's my
Where's the actual phone? Which fandom at? I need that action.
Where who?
Where's fandom at?
Yes, sir, man.
Where's fandom at?
Hey, look,
Tell me how
Hey, look, don't even worry, man.
I want Chris.
Nigga, Phantom, word. Where my son Phantom at, bro? Where my son Phantom at, bro? Phantom really real one, bro. I fuck with Phantom, word, bro. Me and Phantom locked in, bro. My son locked in.
Where y'all from?
I fuck with my son Phantom, bro.
So you already know the vibe.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, New York motherfuckers is some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all should, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
But yeah, nah. I got you, bro. I'll just fuck around. I'll just fuck around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like, where's Chris?
Hey,
Tell Phantom I love him.
Hey, Phantom.
The fuck she say?
Fuck around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like, where's Chris?
Hey,
Chris, my son Chris! My boy, I'm trying to get the whole EMP! The fuck? Y'all trying to be EMP girls? Fuck them!
Phantom I love him.
Hey, Phantom. Man, she love you, bro. She really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy.
So I smoke a little hookies with you.
That's tough.
Well, I'm Dominican too.
I was watching your video online.
You see that?
I ain't beef with that nigga, man.
Hey, mama said, Phantom, when I said I was beefing over George.
Nah, what is that, bro? That shit is fire, bro.
Huh?
Switch that shit, bro. They be switching that shit.
Yeah, you switched it.
Somebody had to tell him to do that, though.
Hey, you really gotta change that. Oh, nah, bro. That's my dog. Hey, it's a little altercation. You changed it now.
What?
You changed it now, right?
You here? Okay. Hey, who is these goddamn?
I don't know.
I'm working, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I'm over here working, man. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. See, bro, this is the shit I'm talking about. This fucking, y'all niggas AMPing on, y'all niggas want to be lit, bro, without inviting me, bro. Like, nigga, I gotta be there with y'all niggas, bro. Like, y'all niggas is baiting on me, bro. Word of my mother, nigga, bro. And that shit is not valid, bro. Word of my dad.
But that's all it take, bro. Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy. But no bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches, like literally chasing after bitches. You see me?
Word, see? See, that's the thing that me and Duke got in common. We lay back, we be chilling, you heard? The bitches be just flooding to us, you heard? The bitches be coming, you heard? Gangsta.
I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. I'm not saying it's anything wrong with going up to
Yeah, nothing wrong with that word, gangsta.
I just
Nothing wrong with
can't
that, bro.
find
I be
myself
chilling.
to just like chase after them, bro. If they ain't coming up to me,
Indeed.
bro, I ain't gonna lie.
Indeed.
I don't give a fuck. Hey. Yeah, hold on. What's up, man? My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where, baby?
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours from here.
God damn.
Yeah.
You ain't no boyfriend then, right?
Huh?
You ain't no boyfriend or nothing, do you?
Nah, you got a girlfriend?
I'm chilling, man. You know
Talk
what I'm saying?
somebody on
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying, talking to them type shit. Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone type shit. Alright, chill, calm down.
I didn't say nothing. You did, I just did a little look back.
You just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying, type shit. I didn't want, you know what I'm saying, nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Oh my God.
Yep. I'm about to see you before you leave then.
Yeah, we gotta leave. Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, be doing the live chat. Hey, where the black one? I want a picture too. Take me a picture.
Exactly, man.
Oh my God.
He around this motherfucker.
How long y'all gonna be out here?
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
What y'all do tonight?
Shit.
I know I was looking for an old boy, but I want a fucking selfie. I don't want no picture. I want a video. I want to see the grills in your mouth, honey. Let's see if they shining.
You're right then. You're right then.
What y'all doing? Why you asking?
My homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
So we trying. We didn't know what we wanted to do. Y'all don't be out here floating, trying to figure out what.
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
Where y'all from?
You said what?
Where y'all from?
On my phone. It's right here, man.
You trifling.
No, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Hold on.
You too wrong for be lying.
Oh, I'm not lying at all. I'm not lying at all.
But what?
Thank
I was just fucking with you with that. I didn't want to see what you know what I'm saying?
Wait, I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh yeah. Damn, bro, ain't nobody going for that, bro.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, nobody going for it, bro. In Miami, bro. I'm surprised, bro. But
Ain't nobody going for the flip phone, man. There's gonna be one person that do that.
I get a bitch that. What's that long? I already know. I mean, it's guys outside, no lie, bro.
my son.
Word. We was here last weekend. 2 active, so we had to come back. Damn. Right back then. We had till like Monday, I think.
I'm here till Monday. I'm already tired of this shit, though.
Tired. 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 You mean?
Hell yeah, you seen Kai?
Nah, I ain't seen him.
That nigga
I seen him last year.
He finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on.
Oh, y'all already know y'all.
Yeah,
All
what's up,
right, man, I'm gonna let y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice meeting y'all, boys.
So, my nigga.
Catch y'all, bro.
Everybody running this.
What the fuck is wrong with these niggas, bro? What the fuck going on?
Boys.
So, my nigga.
Catch y'all, bro.
Everybody running this. You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying?
Word. Don't run, bro.
Take it.
You
Bro,
start
know-
running, nigga, they gonna think you did something, nigga, and then they gonna, word, you heard?
Boy, everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
Sprinting with the
Yeah,
camera.
I know.
Wait, why niggas running, though?
Hey, when you
You're
see
scared
somebody,
ass.
when you see somebody run, you just gotta run, bro.
Hey, where my homeboys at, though, man?
They going to be in it? Yeah. I saw them. Hi. What happened?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Shit,
I'm sorry. I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know. They said they started shooting.
Hey, what is you at,
Niggas
though?
started shooting?
No, you wasn't. I stayed.
On my mama, you ran, nigga.
That's what I'm
On my mama, this nigga ran.
He gonna say on my mama right there, bro?
On my mama, bro. On my mama, I looked at you. You took off. You probably stopped. But you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? This cap, ain't it?
I don't know. I saw you start. I saw you start to go, and then you.
You start jogging.
Look. I did like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You dropped
I
the.
jumped the fence to get out of the way.
Okay, well look,
Hey,
that's what I'm saying.
I
I
don't
see
care.
you.
I'm
I see you
running.
goddamn start doing shit. So I'm like, all right, I'm in.
He said he started running for the dude started running.
He like,
Word.
see me, chill.
Hey, you know what?
But nigga, I knew, nigga, I didn't. I stopped like where the tree was at.
I'm gonna get on my door right now.
I bet.
You want one too?
Oh, that's fire right there. What y'all got going on later?
I think we ordered this party.
Word, I need to get
Another
your
hour.
number.
My number?
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
let me put it in.
The face, yo, the first reaction be having me crying, bro. Look.
Hold it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, babe.
Yo.
Oh, he got one.
Yo.
No way.
Yo. This it right
No
here?
way he really got
Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though. Dead ass.
Show.
Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O.
S-H.
I put show right there. All I had to do was keep it calm, bro. What?
I said, this the one right here.
I guess I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, 70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man.
Nah,
Don't
bro,
count, man.
you gotta keep calm, keep practicing,
females
bro.
number with this flip phone right here is crazy. I'm not chasing after females, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They rizzing me up, bro. I ain't rizzing, you know what I'm saying, them up. But that's a lot of motherfucking problem, bro. Like, every nigga out here is chasing after the hoes, bro. So now you filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit whole time.
Word,
the nigga just
indeed.
chasing, bro. Just
Word.
chill. You know what I'm
That
saying? Type shit. Hold on, what you say your name was?
Dina.
Dina.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice
You
to
do
meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Where you from?
Michigan.
Word.
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man. Yep, put your phone in there right there, man.
Okay.
Oh, shit. You know what? You a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all.
Nah,
right
word
here.
of my mother, she said she went fast as fuck. She dead didn't care. Word of my mother, she dead did I fuck with her for that, bro. She dead did not care, bro. What phone he pulled out, bro? She was ready to put her number in gangster. Word of my dad, bro.
Oh, shit. You know what? You a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right here. Yeah, man. Nah, it's tough, man. Hold on. That's fire right there, man. You went straight forward, though. Well, I like to see right there, man.
This is my friend. This is my friend Pari.
I just bought this
This is my
motherfucker,
friend
bro.
Pari. Okay.
Oh,
I look good. I'm a famous TikToker.
A word? What you be doing on
Pari
there?
the Brat. I be doing everything goofy.
Type shit?
Yeah.
For sure. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you, too.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, ma'am. Bro, why the fuck I come back from being on the strip? Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. Hey, I just see.
No way these niggas broke back some fat bitches to eat the snacks, bro. No way y'all niggas got lined by a bunch of fat bitches for y'all snacks, bro.
Rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. Hey, I just see.
Get that motherfucker.
He thought he got caught. He thought he got caught.
This is like a motherfucker. Oh no, ain't nothing wrong. Sharing is caring, but
word.
Nigga,
But
we
all
ain't
of them
gonna
though.
eat nothing.
Word. That's what I'm
She
saying.
going there getting 3-4 gummy bears. Psh, the fellas tripping, man. Damn, bro.
Nah, word. Like for part 2, y'all already know the vibes. And with that being said, that's the video. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, like I always say. Word. 13th way or no way, you did.